today we're going to interview a lot of students in UCS. What do they think about our corruption or the corruption that is happening to our country? So let's go.
Ano din? Anong grade mo tapos section?
Anika Daniel. My name is Anika Daniel po. And ano po ulit? Edad? 17 years old po and from 12 Humes, Solomon.
First question. What is your opinion about the corruption in our country?
As a soft girly, ano po, parang sobrang nakakalungkot lang and nakakagalit kasi yung pinag-iipunan ng tao napupunta lang sa luho ng mga korap na tao na yan.
Second question. How do you feel about the people who corrupt our country?
How do you feel about the people? Parang parehas lang din po, parang naiinis, pero deep inside, personally po, ako po, umaasa pa rin po ako na may hope, parang may hope pa rin po na feeling sa akin na magbabago pa yung bansa and uunlad.
Nice. Third question.
Grabe.
As a smart USCian student, how can you help this country to make a change in this corrupt system?
Siguro magiging educated. I'll teach myself to be more educated about the society, kung ano yung nangyayari sa government para malaman kung ano yung mga list na pwedeng matulong as a student. Being educated talaga.
Last question. What is your message to the people regarding this issue?
Kayo, mga korap! Magbago na kayo. At wag nyong waldasin ang pera ng bayan. Ayun lang po.
Hello po, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Iya po.
Grade?
11.
So, I have a 4 question here regarding our issue currently in our country. So, first is, what is your opinion about the corruption in our country?
Nakakainis po kasi yung buwis po na dapat para sa mga projects natin is ginagawa lang po nilang pocket money and to travel po.
How do you feel about the people who corrupt our country?
Nakakainis po kayo, sarap nyo pong kotongan.
So, third question. As a smart USCian student, how can you help this country to make a change in this corrupt system?
To share advocacy and awareness po sa mga corrupt and magsabi po ng mga ano yun? Kalimutan ko! Okay lang yan. Yung mga advocacy and awareness po sa mga younger po para maging mas aware sila.
Thank you. And last question. What is your message to the people regarding this issue?
So, please keep spreading the awareness po para maging woke po tayong lahat.
Thank you pa!
Yay!
Good afternoon. Ano pangalan at grade mo?
Princess Anson Nicole Talde at grade 12 gas.
May question akong apat dito. What is your opinion about corruption in our country?
Dapat mabawas-bawasan yung mga korap na mga tao dito sa Pilipinas.
Number 2, how do you feel about people who corrupt our country?
Naawa kasi maraming nahihirapan at hindi na alam gagawin kasi nga hindi na maganda sa nangyayari dito sa bansa natin.
Okay. As a smart USCian student, how can you help this country to make a change in this corruption system?
Sa pamamagitan ng share ng information kung paano nila i-avoid or paano nila mapapatalsik yung mga taong korap.
Fourth, what is your message to the people regarding these issues?
Magpatuloy lang sila ipaglaban yung gusto nila.
Your name pa?
My name is Marie Luis Angeles. I'm from 11 Humes, people.
So, I have a 4 question here. So, sa easy question naman. So, first is, what is your opinion about corruption in our country?
Well, in general, corruption is very, very bad, obviously, because it steals from the people, the funds, hindi natin alam kung saan siya napupunta. So, in general, corruption, when we talk about it, in every country, it is very bad.
Thank you po. And second question, how do you feel about the people who corrupt our country?
Well, obviously, I'm very disappointed because this is the people who voted for. This is who they trusted to work for in our country, and they are stealing our funds behind our backs. So yeah.
Thank you. And as a smart USAsian student, how can you help this country to make a change in this corrupt system?
Well, obviously, first of all, I would make sure that everyone is educated by spreading awareness about like certain candidates who are running in the position in our government. And as someone who is about to be a registered voter, I will also be very educated in who I am going to vote.
Smart. And fourth, what is your message to the people regarding this issue?
Yeah, so my only message is that please vote wisely and please think for the betterment of our country.
All right. All right.
What is your name po, ate?
My name po is Susela Arimagaw.
Aware po ba kayo sa flood control?
Yes po.
May 4 question po tayo about sa flood control. First po is, what is your opinion about the corruption in our country?
Opinion ko lang is sana tigilan na nila yung pagkukurap nila kasi madaming taong naghihirap sa pagiging kurap nila, and madami pong yung mga bayan po na ang tawag dito na sa baha. Madami din pong nagkakaroon ng mga ihi po sa daga, yung anong tawag doon? Leptospirosis.
Okay po. Second is, how do you feel about the people who corrupt our country?
Anger. Hindi, sila yung binoto kasi sila yung pinagkatiwalaan ng tao, tapos sabay, di sila magiging fair sa project na gagawin nila.
Third is, as a smart UEC Asian student, how you can help this country to make a change in this corrupt system?
Ano po ulit?
As a smart UEC Asian student, how you help this country to make change in this corrupt system? Paano mo daw matutulungan yung country natin sa Pilipinas?
Tutulong muna ako sa pagtulong sa pag-recycle, or kaya kasi madaming mga nangyayaring baha dito. So may mga din na may bumabara sa kanal. So pag tumulong po ako doon, may chance po na ma-reduce po yung pagbaha.
Fourth question, what is your message to the people regarding this issue?
Ibalik nyo na yung pera ng bayan. Yun lang pa.
Okay po, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what's your name and age?
Okay. My name is Rashid A. Rojas. My grade is grade 6 James, and my age is 11 years old.
Number 1 question. What is your opinion about corruption in our country?
It's very bad because when the funds that are gonna be used for the people are gonna be used for other individual people that doesn't even really need it. So it's very bad.
Next question. How do you feel about the people who corrupt our country?
I feel that they should be condemned. I feel that they should be condemned and serve for their crimes, because what they're doing is not right, and what they're doing is basically stealing for the people. They are a thief.
Okay, next question. As a smart UEC student, how can you help this country to make a change in this corruption system?
I would. Let me see. I would spread awareness on corruption, and I would spread awareness on I would spread awareness that there's corruption in our government, and it doesn't need, and almost everyone is overlooking how major this is.
Fourth question. What is your message to the people regarding these issues?
Stay strong, God will provide.
Thank you.